Man, you know it's about 100 degrees out here, right? Anyway, I got to cook chicken thighs. Dark matter challenged me. Well, not challenge. I guess he just kind of like said, "Hey, man, do some Dutch oven cooking." So, well, that's what I'm gonna do. We got to go to the other part of the yard for that. Come on. I got my little fire pit set up over here. Just get a little fire going, cooking some chicken thighs. I gotta get something to drink first, though. This is my backup man cave. Really nothing to do but wait for that wood to burn down so I have some coals. And I might throw some Kingsford charcoal in there too. It kind of helps maintain, maintain the heat. I don't know, there's nothing wrong with that. Oh, I'm just preheating it. I think, not that I've done a lot of Dutch oven cooking on YouTube, but I do a lot of Dutch oven cooking. A lot of times, I've said it before, and some of you's gonna remember. You gotta heat that. You gotta preheat the Dutch oven just like you preheat your oven inside. I gotta get another beverage. I didn't know Jackie Blanchard visited the man cave. Left me a present. She didn't really visit the man cave. But I did want to give her a little shout out because she's just so damn cool. If y'all don't know Jackie Blanchard, I'm gonna leave a link down there. Just coolest mom ever, man. Well, besides the mother of my kids. Yeah. I can do Canadian. Some good stuff right there. I like Bush a little bit better, but this is still very good. When you cook like this, your heat source is not uniform all the way around. So what I like to do is I take, well, this is a little homemade hook I made. Anyway, I turn my whole Dutch oven, like a quarter turn or a third of a turn, and then I'll turn the lid the opposite direction. And you do that every 10 or 15 minutes. That way your food doesn't get the same heat. That's kind of confusing. Maybe I already explained it good enough. I hope I did. Oh yeah, that's my little meat flipper I forged out there in my backyard forge. I got a video on that. I'll put a link up there. Those are done. Yep. Anyway, anybody can do Dutch oven cooking, and I want to show you how I did mine. And y'all go check out Dark. I'm sure he's going to be having a playlist of Dark Matter, that is. He'll have a playlist probably of people that are doing it. Now, I'm supposed to tag some people. I know quite a few people that have Dutch ovens. And then I know quite a few people who I assume they have Dutch ovens. Assuming sometimes isn't a good thing. I'm going to tag Trevor Fillmore. He has a lot of cast iron. He's got to have a Dutch oven. My friend Howard, Cabot Bluegill, man, he's got a lot of cast iron. He has to have a Dutch oven. And finally, Calvin. Yep, Calvin, you're tagged. I know you have a Dutch oven. I mean, anyway, and I already told you I was going to tag you anyway, so you're tagged. And then before I go, I just want to remind you, please check out Dark Matter. Man, he does a lot of different kind of videos, man. He's a big supporter of everybody on YouTube. He knows a lot about YouTube. And he's a very talented guy, man. Very generous, too. I mean, all you got to do is look on his channel, or look on anybody else's channel. He's always giving people stuff, man. Handmade, hand-carved stuff. Very cool guy. And lastly, my buddy Jackie. Lives up in Canada. Big supporter of everybody. And she deserves a whole lot more subs than what she has. Y'all, really, go check her out. Tell her old Carolina Chris sent you. Big supporter of mine from... I wish I could remember when different people did sub my channel, but I can't remember when she wasn't subbed to me. So, anyway, very, very cool lady. And anyway, we'll see y'all next time. Oh yeah, I got dessert too. Blueberry cobbler.